These are not ordinary home gadgets. These are the kind of smart inventions that make people say, "Why didn't I buy this sooner?" From genius kitchen tools to crazy useful bathroom gadgets, today we've got 20 viral products that will completely upgrade your daily life. Trust me, some of these are unbelievably satisfying to watch. Watch till the end because the last gadget is absolutely genius. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadget Hunt Daily for more amazing gadgets every day. The desktop trash can is much more practical when it comes with a flip lid. It's super convenient for throwing away snack wrappers while watching shows. The cute bunny design looks adorable anywhere, and it can also be used as a storage box on your vanity for used facial towels. It's compact and doesn't take up much space. Girls who love doing nails will absolutely love this toilet flush press tool. After using the toilet, your nails stay beautiful without getting damaged, and you won't hurt or peel the skin on your fingers anymore. The heart-shaped design is stylish and especially friendly for manicure lovers. Nowadays, every kitchen should have a practical knife storage rack, especially this hidden cabinet door style. It's easy to access, installs without drilling, and the multi-slot design stores knives of different sizes neatly. The movable hooks can also organize small kitchen tools. Hung inside the cabinet door, it doesn't affect opening or closing at all. Every kitchen should have one for a cleaner and more beautiful setup. People are getting really creative now. Even soap boxes come with built-in rollers. Put the soap inside, roll it, and it automatically creates foam. No more rubbing soap back and forth by hand. It even has its own brush, so you can foam and scrub at the same time. The hollow design on both sides keeps the soap from getting soggy. This foldable toilet seat basin is honestly a must-have for women. Place it directly on the toilet, pour in hot water, and sit down to relax after a tiring day. It has a drain outlet that lets excess water flow directly into the toilet. The widened and thickened design fits various toilet types. Press once after use, and it drains automatically. When not in use, simply fold it up to save space. Anyone who cooks often definitely needs this handy kitchen organizer. Place it beside the stove and it can store pot lids of all sizes while cooking. The multi-layer design keeps things tidy and hygienic. The built-in drip tray prevents water from getting on the countertop. You can also place spatulas, spoons, and chopsticks on it. When dirty, just rinse it clean with water. Put it beside the sink and it can also hold washed pot lids and cutting boards for ventilation and drainage. Super practical for every kitchen. If your bathroom drain smells bad or gets clogged with hair, use this soft silicone floor drain cover. It seals tightly to block odors and insects from coming up through the drain. Open the lid while showering and it quickly drains water while filtering hair and debris, preventing clogs. You can even use it in the sink while washing your face or hair. Every bathroom should have one. Kitchen knife holders should definitely be wall-mounted like this. It installs without drilling and sticks firmly to the wall. It can hold various kitchen knives, fruit knives, and has side hooks for kitchen tools. Washed cutting boards and pot lids can also be placed on top for ventilation and drainage. The drip tray at the bottom keeps the countertop dry. Install this storage holder beside your bed and you won't need to keep power strips on the bed anymore. It uses suction cups and tightens securely onto the wall. The adjustable design stores different power strips neatly, and the cables can be wrapped behind it to avoid clutter. The suction cup design also allows you to move it anywhere easily. Friends always say my bathroom smells amazing, but it's actually because of these adhesive toilet deodorizer stickers. They come with fragrance already included. Stick one on the toilet and your bathroom stays fresh. Once the scent fades, you can spray your own perfume on it and continue using it. Stick one inside your shoe cabinet too, and the bad shoe odor disappears. People are becoming smarter and smarter. Even cup brushes are now designed to automatically squeeze out water. This one is a 2-in-1 design with a large sponge brush head that creates rich foam with just a little dish soap. It cleans deep into hard-to-reach corners of cups. The handle also hides a small gap brush for cleaning cup lids, straws, and baby bottle nipples thoroughly. Cleaning cups at home becomes much easier, and it can be wall-mounted after use to save space. Place this filter over your sink's pop-up drain stopper, and you'll never worry about valuable items falling into the drain again. The evenly spaced drainage holes block hair and food residue while preventing clogs. The built-in holder locks securely onto the stopper, keeping the valve open for smooth drainage. It also has a small handle for easy removal, stylish and practical. Whoever invented this dish draining basket is a genius. Washed dishes can simply be placed into the slots to dry quickly without wiping. There's also a separate holder for chopsticks and spoons. Bowls can be placed upside down, and the drained water flows directly into the drip tray without wetting the countertop. Clean and hygienic storage for tableware. This tiny gadget is brilliantly designed. Just put it onto a door handle and it acts as a soft buffer when opening doors. It prevents collisions, reduces noise, and protects walls. No more loud banging sounds. Made from elastic silicone, it's both stylish and practical, fitting various door handles. Whoever invented this mosquito coil holder is truly smart. It prevents burns and stops ash from flying around. Just place the lit mosquito coil inside and you won't need to clean ash constantly anymore. Close the lid and carry it anywhere with the handle. It's safe, beautiful, and made with thick, double-layer galvanized steel. The serrated tray design holds both full and broken mosquito coils securely. You've probably never seen a standing peeler like this before. It peels quickly, thinly, and evenly. After use, you can place it upright on the countertop without it falling over. It's a two-in-one design with a sharp blade that peels smoothly without sticking. It works great for fruits and vegetables and even includes a digging groove for removing unwanted parts. The soft brush helps clean dirt easily. Very practical to keep at home. If there are men in your house, you'll definitely know how useful this is. Stick one onto the toilet lid or seat, and you won't need to touch dirty surfaces with your hands anymore. Super hygienic and convenient. Even toothbrush holders are becoming more advanced now. No more leaving toothbrush cups on the countertop where water collects and makes things messy. This wall-mounted organizer installs without drilling and sticks firmly. It neatly stores the whole family's toothbrushes and comes with 4 different colored cups so nobody mixes them up. Combs, razors, toothpaste, and facial cleansers can also be stored. The cups are stored upside down to prevent mold and water buildup, and the suction cup allows easy repositioning without damaging the wall. You should definitely install a foldable laundry basket in the bathroom. Clothes changed before showering finally have a proper place. It's wall-mounted, space-saving, and large enough for the whole family's dirty clothes. The hollow design prevents odors, and after showering, you can easily carry the clothes to the washing machine. Fold it away when not in use to save space. Every household needs this little knife sharpener. Just slide the knife through a few times and it becomes sharp again. Remove the adhesive backing, stick it to the wall, tighten it, and it stays firmly in place. Different kitchen knives and fruit knives can all be sharpened easily with one hand. The suction cup design allows it to be moved and reused anywhere. I bet your home also needs this automatic water dispenser. Install it onto a large water bottle and it automatically dispenses water when you place a cup underneath. Remove the cup and it stops automatically. It works with different cups and kettles. The automatic switch at the bottom makes water dispensing effortless. Press once for continuous flow and press again to stop. The rechargeable version lasts a long time on a single charge.